Okay, good evening, traders. Good evening. It is 7 p.m. New York time. And the market, it be ripping. Guess they're happy about those NVIDIA earnings. What do you think? Sure seems like it, doesn't it? All right, we're going to have to change our composite. We're going to have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to have to do 8. We're in a whole new area now. We're really far from everything. We just broke above that level. Look at that. That's also the monthly VWAP. So that's going to be a key level, 575. How's everybody doing this evening? Hoku's here. Trayson, Dick Sniper, LT, Yitarap, Brian's here. I do like the NQ long. I do like it. I think I might take a stab at it. I do. What do you think? Market's going to keep doing what it's doing. What price you got, Hoku? There it goes. $604. All right. It's a good price. Ooh, Michelle's got in at 600, Hoku. You better look out. I'm long at 609, but I got room to add. Excuse me, by the way, I'm sick, so I apologize if I cough or whatever, but at least you won't have to worry about getting sick from me. Well, I think that's exactly where we want to be long. That's price discovery. We got to start building acceptance above it. We got to get out of where we're at now. We got to get above 20. I'm assuming he's talking about the new developing one. Yeah, exactly. That's price discovery. Yep. Randy, you should watch. I have a video called Acceptance versus Rejection. That's how do you consider price outside. That's a full lesson in the premium coaching vault. And I'll pull it up for you right now. Save this video. Bookmark it. Watch it. Rewatch it. You're welcome. Hopefully this party's not over. They did that to us last night. Gold looked amazing last night. Who was here last night? There wasn't a whole lot of people waiting for the stream tonight. And I'm assuming it was because they traded with me last night. This is what I walked into last night. This was the chart on gold. Right? This is the chart. I'm like, holy smokes, look at this chart. Both full on bullish price discovery. Intraday, weekly, monthly. Right? I'm like, this is great. Look at this. We're breaking the highs. We're above this composite. Everything says price discovery. So I buy it. I'm like, this is great. I buy here. And then I buy here. All right? That's the plan. This is what happens. Very disappointing. Very disappointing. I did not like that. Luckily, I only took one trade and I didn't make it worse because I couldn't bear myself to get short. Everything about the market was bullish. And then it just, I know it did it the day before, but whatever. Yep. Oh, passenger. That's funny that you say that. Have you heard me say that? Because that. Do you know where I learned that? That exact saying? That's what they used to say at the prop firm I used to work back in 2010. A bunch of .com traders. They always used to say that. Well, it's funny because I never heard it anywhere else. I'd prefer we stay up here, Julio, because I have investments in stocks that I would like to see continue to go up. So no, I don't want to see that gap be filled because I own things and assets. So I'd prefer it to keep going up. All right. Well, I closed the trade I started at 609. So I'm flat and I'm going to look to try and get long again here lower at 75.80. I'm not going to add. I'm going to cut and wait for it to pull back a little bit. Or start going up again. because it's been going down since 652. Delta's been bleeding since 652. I got to see some upwards action here. I'm glad you covered a couple, Michelle. That's good. Prudent. Because we did have a hell of a move. We gapped up. Spot 2. We went up almost 0.75%. I do see that. ES and VWAP. I do see that. Maybe I flip over to ES and take that one. Long ES. We're at the 50 and the VWAP. And monthly is right below it. So watching. Pretty good level. So this will be a VWAP bounce long. Do something like this. What do we think? Anybody still long from the earlier on NQ? I hopped over to ES for the ES bounce. Okay. I mean, it could still work. You got him pretty high toward the top, Trayson. Okay, I'm long. 35 and a half. We're playing this game again. No follow through continuation. The first 45 minutes gets all the fun. And then they just flush it for the rest. I'm tired of that game. All right, I added a little bit. So it's going to bring my average price down 33, 34. Okay. Buyers can step in now. Selling is slowed down a little bit. Composite is probably should be higher. It's at 5. Eight. Put it on 8. Come on now. I'm ready. I don't know. Watching paint dry is pretty boring. Well, we're at the NQ VWAP here on the Globex. And this is the monthly VWAP here. How do you see a fade value or extreme short? Monthly VWAP up top. Monthly VWAP's right here. Your monthly VWAP is wrong. Right here. It's at 578. Might not be, if you have a lower trading view account, you might not have enough historical candles to load a proper monthly VWAP on a lower time frame. All right, let's go. Ready. I got 3 minis on this bad boy. Let's go. Ah. Man. Good, Francis. I want you to miss it. You can go over to gold. It's going straight up. It's actually going right into the Globex VWAP from the day before. You're going to miss whatever you can't take. I promise. Look at that VWAP bounce short on gold. What a beauty. And look at these PDCs. Should have took NQ. Watching paint dry over here. But I do have 3 minis. So take some good profits here. Covered 1. Cover the next one into 37, 36 and 3/4. Take a look at gold. Oh yeah, look at it pull back. Where was this yesterday, Colby? This is what I was looking for yesterday. Why didn't I get this yesterday? Next order is at 36 and 3/4. Yes. Yes, Francis, we do. I do. 820. God damn it. Stop me out. Break even on the rest there. I had to stop at break even. We shorting gold or what? What are we doing? Stevia said, not touching it. VWAP Bounce short. Oh, look at that. Covered one. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice. Well, the point is you can't fool me again. I got to stop at break even. I can't lose. I got a sick fill too. 75, spot 4. Go. Go down. What do you got? Bars in the safe, Carl? Colby, take this one. I know you were eyeing it. Colby. It's working nice. To long it. I'm going to cover here soon. Keeps going. Hey, Chuck's in the room. It's being all silent. Bruce is in the room. Congratulations, Bruce, on that 25K. Got Jay Adams being all quiet. Who else we got in here? Jeffrey's here. Matthias is here. Tim's here. Yeah, let's get a German joke. Hey, Brian. Oh, man. It's bouncing on your level. I might just close it. All right, I closed it. Wah, wah, wah. Evie's here. Gluten, Gleben, Globen, Globen. Did I cover that thing as soon as the context shifted? I did. Colby, I hope you're long. Did it hit my profit target? No. Did I close it early? Yes. It would have turned into a loser if I didn't. Nice, Colby. Might short it again. Short again. Just a quick scalp. All right, I got my cover here at 73.8. Just a quick scalp. Trading the range here. There it goes, filled. Huh. It's a good question. I hope it doesn't. All right. Ciao, Evie. We'll be here. Well, why don't we do a poll? Put it in the chat. Thunder. Thunder. Are we talking about gold or are we talking about NQ? I guess we didn't clarify, did we? Let's say NQ. Anybody grab the VWAP Bounce on NQ? I know I didn't touch the line, but there he goes, Colby. It's going. Very slow tonight. Yeah, we'll get some action in about 20 minutes. Oh, looks like it might be getting a little rejection. Not much happening. Look at ES, man. Look at that. That is just sad state of affairs right there. Not even 2 points range since half an hour ago. NQ. Move 20 points. Maybe we start the Asia stream at 7:30. $7:45. I'd hate to have to go to bed after a losing. That would suck. But I guess you could sleep it off. I'm definitely not doing 2 hours, Chuck. There's no way. I'm already exhausted by 7. Not usually. I have Francis. I don't usually trade it. I usually find plenty of opportunities on NQ, especially during RTH or ES. I'll switch between the two. Generally, I do quite well between the two of them. I've traded everything, but when there's real opportunities, I'll look at it. I held 6 minis overnight in July and a cash account. That was interesting. That will probably be one for the. I'll probably always recall that trade. Looks like a break and back test of Globex, previous Globex, doesn't it? Got about 13 minutes. No, my eyes are just fine. No problems at all, actually. I also have bright lights shining in my face. So there's also that. It's what it looks like without the lights. There you go, Colby. Nice spot. So that break and back test. Yeah, Chuck, what are you doing over there? Hands check. Oh. All right, we got 8.5 minutes. What was the poll? Let's bring it back to the poll. 50-50 on the poll. That's not fun. I got to get some more accounts, Jeff. Gave them all away for the Funded Floor Challenge. Gave away 25 of those bad boys. 25 accounts. Apex is sending more my way soon. Chuck, I heard the largest measles outbreak in the United States is in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. You know that? Colby, this trade's not doing what you wanted to do, is it? You get the return to value, maybe? I'm watching. I'm watching. All right, good. Scalp in that range. Nice. What's going on by you, Trayson? Give us the trader check-in. What did you do? All right, Drew's here. Time to wrap it up, guys. Thanks for joining me tonight. It's been a great. Just kidding. All right, reel it in, Trayson. Reel it in. Four minutes. What do you think, Colby? Long or short? We got example 1 or example 2. What do we think? 1 or 2? I think short too, actually. It could rip. Oh, there they go. There goes the NASDAQ. Damn it. Oh, be glad you're not short the NASDAQ right now, Amy, because it's a ripping. $90 seconds. I don't know. If you're thinking it's short, why are you going long at the band again? It's holding up long, isn't it? Here we get the flush going into Asia, Tokyo, and then we get the bounce. Or it just rips. One of the two. We'll see. Kind of bummed I didn't take the VWAP bounce on NASDAQ. That was the trade. If I would have taken it on ES, I'd be much happier. I just can't seem to get my products right the last couple of Asia sessions. If I just trade the same one all the time, at least I'll get them when they work. Frustrating. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. There's a bell in Tokyo ringing somewhere. Feels like it, Drew. Feels like it. I'm also sick, by the way. I feel like poo. NASDAQ's going down. Gold. Looks like it wants to go up. All right. That was a good setup right there. All right, guys. This was another really boring Asia session for myself. Caught a good short right here for, I don't know, 20 ticks. I took a ES VWAP Bounce, caught a couple of ticks, stopped me out of the remainder. Not much of anything. Not for me, anyway. There's always tomorrow. I had a really good trading morning. I took a $7,000 trade, pre-market, trading PCE. If you haven't seen that trade, look at this baby. Fade value area extremes. Here are my sell orders. 235, 236, 238, and 246. So 4 minis. My average price was right around here, 38. Went against me a little bit. News came out, went zoop. Covered into this area down here. 146, 153, 158, 146, 146. It's a beauty. So I had a good day today. All right, guys. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk. Stay sharp. If you want to head on over to Colby, you're going to be in the trading lounge. NQ Trading, Gold Trading, Trading Lounge. All right. If you want to join Colby, he's going to keep trading, guys. So if you want to keep trading, he'll be following the system. He'll be giving the lead, guys. So trade with Colby. Head on over to the voice channels. Manage your risk. Stay sharp. And Chuck and I will see you tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful night, everybody. And thanks for joining me. Have a great night.